So let me show you how easy you can make your favorite grilled sandwich. Can be just grilled cheese, can be ham and cheese, can be whatever. You can put up to 4 in this press toaster over here. So I'm gonna set it up to heat just with this knob over here. And remember, you don't have to flip it because this one is both ways and it has enough weight to actually press it by itself. So I'm gonna let it to heat a little bit. And in the meantime, I'm gonna put some cheese over here. And remember, you can use slices as well, but this is my preference. I like this one very much, but if not, it could be like sweet slices or something like that. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna put some, this is salami, another one of my preferences, and I'm gonna put that one over there with some butter. Again, you can use some spray as well. Remember, press it hard, just like this. And when this one is heat enough, like hot enough, you can drop tiny bit of butter over there. Use silicone utensils like this one over there. Don't use anything sharp, and just like spread it over on the area that you're gonna put your sandwich, just like this, and then this way over here. I think we're pretty much done, so we're gonna let it heat for a little bit more, just with this one and the centerpiece, just like that. We're gonna set it a little bit higher, just you can see that green over there. We're gonna press this one more time, and we're pretty much done. Remember, you don't have to flip it, so you drop it right there, press it, and okay, we press it, and now we're just gonna let it rest for about like 3 to 4 minutes. So then we're almost done here. Just turn off the knob. You're gonna see that right away, it's off. We open it up. Remember, use silicone utensils, and look at this bad boy over here. Take a look at this. Look at that crust over there. This is fantastic. So I'm gonna give it a huge bite. This is what you need. You can put up to 4 there. It's auto press, so you don't have to flip it. And of course, super easy to clean, which is like let's say like a kitchen towel or something like that. You can clean it super easy. So I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you soon.